Hello, today we're going to do some applied area problems. So there are 3 questions to complete that will increase in difficulty. So feel free to pause the video and try each question for yourself, but if you're ready to go, let's get started. Alrighty, here's our first question. So Troy wants to purchase some lawn. The plan for the lawn is shown in the diagram below. The lawn costs $35 per square meter. How much will it cost to purchase the lawn? So if you want to give this question a go, here's your chance to pause. Alrighty, so we're going to be focusing on area today. So if I draw a little line here to break this composite shape into 2 smaller shapes, it'll make 2 smaller rectangles. So I can find the area of the top shape to start with. So it's a rectangle, so it's 8 times 3, which gives us 24 meters squared. I can then find the bottom rectangle by multiplying 3 by 5, which will give 15 meters squared. So overall, the total cost is going to be $35 times 24 plus 15, which is 39. So 35 times 39 is $1,365. So that's how much it will cost for the lawn. Alrighty, let's look at another question here. So, question 2. The shaded area in the following diagram represents mulch in a garden. Each bag of mulch can cover 3 meters squared and cost $22 per bag. How much would it cost to mulch the shaded area shown below? If you want to give this question a go, now's your chance to pause. Alright, first of all, it makes sense to have a battle plan. How are we going to tackle this question? Well, I've devised this battle plan. I'm going to work out the area of the whole entire rectangle, then I'm going to take away the circle in the middle, and then take away 2 quarter circles. So, it looks like there is a giant rectangle that was here, and then someone cut out the middle, and then someone cut off these quarter ends here. So that's going to be my game plan. Find the area of the rectangle, take away the circle, and then take away 2 quarter circles. So for the area of the rectangle, it's going to be really straightforward. 7.5 times 5 is 37.5 meters squared. For the large circle, it's just going to be pi times 2 squared to give me 12.5664 meters squared. And the quarter circles, it's a quarter times pi times 1.5 squared, and we times by 2 because there's 2 quarters, and we get 3.5343 meters squared. So the total area is just going to be 37.5, take away the large circle, take away the quarter circles, which gives me 21.3993 meters squared. Now that I know the area of the shaded shape, I can now work out how much mulch I need. Well, we know that every bag of mulch can cover 3 meters squared. So if I take my area and divide by 3, this is how many bags of mulch I'll need, 7.1331 bags. Now, unfortunately, I probably can't buy 0.1331 of a bag at the shops, so it makes sense that I'll need to buy more than that to cover the mulch. So I'll need to buy 8 bags and have some left over. So the total cost is 8 bags times $22, which is $176. So that is the cost of mulching the shaded area as shown in the diagram. Alrighty, question 3, our final question. It's a little bit trickier than the rest. A graphic designer has designed the following logo for a company. Calculate the shaded area of the logo to 2 decimal places. If you want to pause the video and give it a go, now's your chance. Okay, so here's my battle plan. To me, it looks like there is some sort of giant trapezium shape here that's had a triangle taken out of it and also had 2 semicircles taken out of it as well. So this shaded area is just the leftovers from a trapezium. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the area of a trapezium, take away the triangle, and then take away 2 half circles. So for the trapezium, I just use the trapezium formula. So area is half times, in brackets, 40 plus 30, close bracket, times 20, which gives me 700 millimeters squared. To find the area of the triangle, it's just going to be half times 40 times 20, which is 400 millimeters squared. To find the half circles, all I'm going to have to do is half times pi times 5 squared, and then times by 2, because there's 2 of those half circles. And then finally, for the area total, I'll just start with the 700, take off the 400, and take off the 78.5398. And I'm left with 221.4602 millimeters squared, which to 2 decimal places is 221.46 millimeters squared. Alright, thank you so much for watching. So just remember, when you're tackling these sorts of problems, break down the problem right at the start. What are the steps you need to do? What shape do I see? What can I take off? And then you should be able to work your way towards the answer at the end. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day.